What happened on Monday?
On Monday the 26th, the Assam police, I think they were about 200 strong, led by IGP and other senior officers. They came and overrun the CRPF camp, which was deployed as a neutral force by the government of Mizoram. Then our police camp, which was adjacent and towards Mizoram, was overpowered and captured by them. And negotiations were there, and our boys, who were about 20 in number, they tried to resist, but they could not do anything because they were outnumbered.
And there was some saying that while Assam made the first shot while a negotiation with SP from Policing SP was going on. Can you confirm that?
After they have captured our post and forcefully removed our boys, then there was negotiation, but they were adamant. They said that they were going to construct a camp in that place, and after that, again, after some time, some gap, again they called the SP to the Mizoram police camp, which was already captured by them. And while the SP was with the IG talking to them, so the Assam police opened fire on our forces. Probably they thought that with our SP in their midst, our boys would not retaliate. But our boys were forced to retaliate.